It's 3 a.m. Your mind is racing. Every decision, every conversation, every what if, relentlessly replaying. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Overthinking is a silent epidemic, stealing our peace and productivity. But what if I told you that you could break this cycle in just 5 minutes? No gimmicks, no fluff, just proven strategies that work. Understanding overthinking. Overthinking isn't just a habit, it's a trap. It tricks you into believing that more thinking leads to better solutions. In reality, it leads to paralysis and anxiety. But here's the truth. Most problems aren't solved with more thinking. They're solved with clarity and action. Scene 2. The 5-minute solution. Let's dive into a 5-minute routine designed to halt overthinking in its tracks. Ready? Let's begin. Minute 1. Deep breathing. Start with deep breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 4. Repeat. This activates your parasympathetic nervous system, calming your mind. Minute 2. Grounding techniques. Engage your senses. Touch, taste, smell. Bring your focus to the present. Grounding pulls you out of your head and into the now. Minute 3. Thought dump. Write down every thought swirling in your mind. Don't censor. This externalizes your worries, making them manageable. Minute 4. Challenge your thoughts. Now question those thoughts. Are they facts or fears? Challenge their validity. Most overthinking stems from unfounded assumptions. Minute 5. Visualization. Finally, visualize a place where you feel calm and safe. Immerse yourself in that environment. Let tranquility replace turmoil. Reinforcing the habit consistency is key. Practice this routine daily. Over time, you'll rewire your brain to handle stress with composure. You've taken the first step towards mental clarity. Ready to master your mind further? Explore our Mind Mastery series for more transformative techniques. Click here to continue your journey.